Hello everyone, my name is Vinayak Ramchandra Poladi and my today's topic is string constant pool in Java. Let's start with what is a string constant pool and why it is used and why it comes and what is its advantages and let's start with there are in that there are many like two topics, two types mainly and what is the best for use and what is takes more memory as compared to other. In this video we are discussing about these topics. Then let's start with what is a string constant pool. String constant pool, it is like a it is similar to that name because it is like a pool, but it's what type of pool. You store the string literals means string value store inside that and it is first after the Java comes, then it is in the method area, and then after sometimes they realize that the like main method area, it is not like size increasable. That's why it is taking like take easily filled automatically after we create multiple strings at a time. Then it is filled. Then it's take a little bit error or something error occurs in the programs. That's why it's after the Java 8, the in Java shift that string constantful in the heap memory, because heap memory it is like a growable. It is a totally depend on the program and always provide the what's memory like if you want to like multiple classes or like you want more memory, then always provide that memory. That's why it's come the inside the heap and there are two ways to create string. Like first is a new like literals string. It is a, we know the string, it is a class and it is also final class. And Java, in Java there are two ways to create string. First it is a directly literals and another one is using new keyword. Because string it is a class, that's why we use the new keyword, we create the object. And the string it is a widely used data structures or yeah, data structure and data types. That's why Java comes string literals also. And this is about the string constant pool and how it's come and what is journey of that string constant pool and where it is now and what is the use of that. Mainly use it is like a store the string values. And there are two I tell you already, there are two ways to create string constant pool using new keyword and using second way it is literals mean it is a like a string, then we declare variable name, then declare directly value, and using new keyword we create the object of that and then initialize the value inside that. So these two are the creating of the string mainly. And let's start with what is use of that. If you use the literals way, then it is like only one object travels. Then it is directly stored in the string constant pool. And if you create the new object, then the first it is a create the object in the heap memory, and then also it is a point to that string inside the string constant pool area. And the literals it is directly like string concept will directly point that this is the benefits of the using literals, it is directly point that. And if you create the new keyword, then it is like a take more space as compared to literals, because it's create the another object of that in the heap area. String constant pool it is also inside the heap area, but there are like it is create like a suppose we have some square like suppose we have square uh, we can take a simple example of just take a like square like size it is a 2 centimeter or uh, 2 centimeter or like length and breadth. Like take this and inside that the 1 centimeter or half centimeter, it is a square. Inside that is called string constant pool declared in heap, and this inside that the little directly store. And string constant pool because string it is a final, because it is the main reason it is if we create the string in a literal way, then the JVM find the not JVM, but it is a search that it is already present in or not. If it is already present, then it is directly point to that. And then after we create the another string or update that string, then it is a point means change, it is like before string. That's get problems because the now it is a two variables or two objects point that, and they change at a time for no reason, because we update one then automatically updated another. That's why it is a make final. It is a possible to update that, but it is a like work like a, if you update that like presented suppose we have to like a and b, and they both are pointed to string, there are name, it is like a, suppose we take a like we take as an example like name as a, we can take water, just it is a string or whatever, you just it is like a point to water, and suppose suppose a want to change update that and take it is Bisleri water, then it is like it is possible, but it is however it is simply create the new object inside that string, because already b is already point b, they both are pointing that, and it's update a, then it is like create new literals inside that, and they Bisleri water create new, and the a pointed that, and b also, b is already pointed to b. That's why it is a final, and this is the way to update that. This is the use of string constant pool, like store the string literals, and it is like a inside that garbage collector don't work inside that, because like how it is garbage collector work, like a garbage collector work on the, they look the references of that, if don't reference then they remove that objects, and like in a string constant pool, if suppose we create the new, then it is a point that like pointing that the inside the string constant pool literals, then it is point, if we remove that, but then after what happens, the JVM simply point that. That's why garbage collector not work on that, because if JVM pointed that, then the literal have some reference or a reference object. That's why like a garbage collector not work or remove that, because JVM point that, and JVM have, because that have some reference of JVM like that. That's why garbage collector not work on string constant pool. This is the main reason, and in this video we're talking about the whatever like from string to work of string, and how it is create the create of string, and how to store in the heap memory, like string inside the string constant pool, how to store it, and how it is work. In this video we are talking this topic in brief already, so this is from my side, so thank you.